Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4b. Before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclo Hub provides a PDF and the handwritten assignments. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. If you have any other queries, you can also contact us for on this number. Now, the question number 4b is Maharashtra is the leading producer of the cotton textile in the country. Mumbai has been the major center of textile mills. About a half of the cotton textile mills are still located in Mumbai alone. Because of this reason, it is called as cotton policy of India. Justify the statement by giving any four arguments. This question is taken from the lesson 19, and if you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. And you have to prepare in this questions is 100 to 150 words. We have prepared not for only this subject, we have prepared all other subjects also. So if you need this, you can contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.